Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kawit, Cavite, and for today's video, samahan nyo ako to explore Kaylas. Let's go! Ang ganda ng panahon guys, tamang-tama para sa masarap na kape, cheesecakes at pasta na matitikman natin today dito sa Kaylas Cakes and Pastries. Located in San Sebastian, Kawit, Cavite. Searchable sila sa Google Maps and Waze. Short story, the owner of Kaylas started selling cheesecakes more than 10 years ago. Now, ito na, may kape na sila at matitikman nyo rito ang masasarap nilang pastries, pasta, at syempre ang kape nila dito hindi rin magpapatalo. So tara, tikman na natin. Una sa ating list ay ang kanilang Italian style carbonara. Ang sarap nito, comforting and satisfying. Harmonious blend of rich, savory and creamy flavors with a hint of saltiness and spiciness. Masarap siya guys. This is really a must try dito sa Kaylas. How about this delightful moist chocolate cake with Belgian chocolate ganache? This is one of the favorite among dessert enthusiasts. Velvety and indulgent yung mouthfeel. Everything goes well together with this moist chocolate cake of Kaylas. And this is my favorite Choco Pecan chocolate cheesecake. Grabe to. Just for me, it tastes like Toblerone chocolate. Ang sarap niya guys. This is perfect, creamy, crunchy, and chocolatey. Siyempre, hindi rin papahuli ang kanilang delightful na blueberry cheesecake. So, BBCC lover, alam nyo na. And siyempre, last but not the least, the luscious dessert. Biscoff cheesecake. Perfect pair with coffee, syempre. Ang sasarap nun, guys. Punta naman tayo dito sa outdoor space nila. Sa loob nga pala, air condition. Pero kung trip mo lang sa outdoor seating, meron din sila dito. Plus, you can watch the glimpse of sunset here. Free wifi sila dito. May street parking din. Open sila Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. onwards. That's all for today's video, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and syempre stay safe, stay caffeinated. God bless sa ating lahat.